Just few days ago, one of our brothers, a well-celebrated musician, made this controversial statement. Listen to him.
Where are you from?
Anambra.
Anambra State. You are from Biafra.
I'm from Anambra State.
And Anambra, because I feel like those are
Biafran Odi State.
Imo are Biafra people.
We are. I don't know something. You wish you are from Anambra State. Where are you from?
Igbo.
Oh, boy, all of us now descent. All of us are Igbo.
You said what? You are saying something.
So I was trying to say, we are Igbos.
Igbos. What now brought about the Biafra?
That's our baptism name. I don't know. I don't want to go deep into it because no.
Please, I want to go deep.
You can go, man. I not be.
No, I want you to go.
That music I gotta sing.
Now, after watching the video, a lot of people reacted differently. This video stirred a lot of controversy, but I was calm when I stated that being a celebrity doesn't make one a repository of knowledge and wisdom. Everyone is learning on this part of life. So I stated that any man who is ashamed of identifying with his Biafra will soon become afraid to identify with even his own tribe or lineage. And I further stated that every single Igbo man is a Biafran, but not every Biafran is Igbo. That is very clear from the map of Biafra, and that is how I stated it. This my post again contributed to the controversy. A lot of people hurled insults at me. One of our brothers also made this video to insult Kcee. Listen to him.
But Kcee is not talented. Even Muaneba. For once in my life, I have not been to the studio. But all I'm with a mic here now, whether more pop, whether more hip hop, whether more ballad, whether more blues, whether more funk, any kind of music, whether more reggae, I'm with a mic here now, you fall in love with me. I have never been in the studio for once. The type of music Kcee nako, ya wundi Greek hanakwe skiliadika like egu monketa.
Now, after all the dusts have settled, after all the names calling, after saying that Kcee doesn't even have talent, we left the substance of the matter, which is that every Igbo man is a Biafran, and some people started insulting Kcee. I maintained my stand, even when some of our brothers insisted that he said so to protect his image. What kind of image will you have if your identity is battered or stolen or taken away from you? I'm very happy that yesterday I came online and I saw this second video, a rejoinder from Kcee stating that he is a Biafran.
As far as I'm concerned, every Igbo man under the sun today, anywhere you are in part of this world, you are a Biafran. I am a Biafran. I'm an Igbo man, and Biafra is where we are from. It's just like the Arewas and the Oduduwas. You understand it?
Not too long ago, you be there this Kcee, this content creator and night streamer Kcee, live stream.
Yeah.
And him be they ask you about Biafra. I say you don't know anything about Biafra. I say you know, me you tell him. But the way you answer, make people come they assume say you they kind of like they distance yourself away from I don't want to use what you represent, but then again it's part of your region, the region you come from. We should just kind of like address that particular region.
Yeah, the truth be say now see what we just talk about now. The fans sometimes they misunderstand or they push matter the way it's not supposed to be. For Kcee event live stream, ask me questions, say what state are you from? The video is online. I say I'm from Anambra State. Inko say say I'm Igbo. Inko say what is it about Biafra? I can't say Biafra is our baptism name. You understand that we are all Igbos. All Igbos, our baptism name now Biafra. Omo. Internet people, some people don't change and say Kcee no they support us, Kcee no stand with us. A lot of my Igbo brothers too.
For real?
Yeah, they come they drag me. But the truth is, make we check them now. Somebody ask you a question, where are you from? I'm from Anambra State and I'm Igbo. Biafra was created in, I think it was in 1967 by one guy, Frank Opigo, from Bios, I think. He suggested that name for the Igbos.
Okay.
You understand, Biafra, and we adopted it in 1967. So before 1967, who are we? Igbos. When my mother gave birth to me and my father, they named me Kingsley. When I grew up and had my baptism, they named me Cyril. My baptism name is Cyril. So when you asked me this question, I was like, Biafra is my baptism name. That means I'm still a Biafra.
Now, as an Igbo person, I have this message for us. Your identity as an Igbo man must not be conditional. Your identity as an Igbo man must not be depending on who is asking or who is listening. You should be unapologetically Igbo. No matter whose ox is God. It is your identity, you did not choose it. You are born Igbo. Identity, tribal or ethnic identity is not something you choose. Some people will say, oh, leave them. If they want to identify, they identify. If they don't want to identify, it speaks of ignorance. There's no way you can walk into a lab to conduct your ancestry DNA test and tell them, I want to choose to be China. You don't choose. You are born into an ethnic identity. Yes, or you are assimilated into it as our ancestors did by assimilating some tribes into our midst. But they are now Igbo by assimilation. But by birth, you are born into it. It is in your DNA that you are Igbo. So you don't have to deny it. You have to be Igbo unapologetically. And one thing is sure, you will be marginalized. You will be discriminated against. But the Igbo identity is not something you should deny. Identifying as Igbo is something you must always do because it is a cultural identity. If you are willing to enjoy the Igbo glory, the Igbo blessing, the Igbo clout, you must be willing with us to bear the Igbo burden. Don't be a fair weather Igbo man. In the night you are Igbo, in the morning you are no longer Igbo. You are Igbo by birth. You are not Igbo by choice. So you don't get to choose today, I'm Igbo. Tomorrow you say, no, I'm no longer Igbo. You don't get to choose. It is a cultural identity. That is, you were born into that cultural ethnic group and it is in your DNA. Such that if you walk into any laboratory today and say, please conduct my ancestry DNA test, there's no way for you to choose, I am Bini, I am Yoruba, I am Igbo, I am Hausa. It is already there deposited in your DNA. Their own is to find it. Where are you from? Now, I want to use this medium to advise our people. This is 21st century. Everybody now knows what to do about what. Technology has also advanced. If you have any doubt regarding your cultural or tribal identity, go for ancestry DNA test. People in America, people in the Caribbean, people all over the world are conducting their ancestry DNA. Some come out as low. That means you are from Kenya. Some come out as Akan, the Ghanaians. Some come out as Igbo. Some as Yoruba. Go for your ancestry DNA test and stop deceiving yourself. Say you said you don't want to be Igbo because you want to protect your name. You want to protect your brand. What useless brand will you have outside your tribal or cultural identity? If the person who wants to pick you as a brand ambassador cannot pick you and your cultural group, the person should as well leave you alone. There are people who identify as Igbo, but today they have been presidents of World Bank. They have been DG twice now of WTO, World Trade Organization, and they are Igbo. We have had people head global institutions who are Igbo all over the world. So, it is not a crime to be Igbo. In fact, it is a great privilege. So, whenever you identify as Igbo, don't be doing it shaking your head, or don't be afraid. I know you are bound to be discriminated against. If you are somebody who performs in shows as a musician, there are concerts they will not invite you to anymore, but it doesn't change a thing. You are Igbo. There are Igbo musicians who have excelled and continue to excel all over the world. You are not the first, and you won't be the last. Dalo ni umune ndi Igbo. Chukwu ya gozie unu kunu si eso no nebo enu ane cultural forum. I want to use this medium to invite you to our channel. If you are not yet a subscriber, kindly go to the channel, hit the subscribe button, and watch other interesting and beautiful videos. Also learn to interact with them. See you in our next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
In